How to install and use Lucky Patcher. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application on your device. Now make sure you're logged into your account. After which, tap on the search bar and search for the app called Lucky Patcher. Now just search for it. Here it says there are no results for Lucky Patcher and there are other apps that you might like. So which means that the Lucky Patcher application is not available in this particular region. So let's go and just check if we have an updated version of the application or the device in over here. So tap on about phone and check if we have any updates available for our device. So as it says, there are no updates available, which means we cannot have this application on our device. You can also use any third-party app to get this app downloaded and installed on your device. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.